Now, let's check the answer all together. The first one, start from, okay, read first. Number one. Oh, it's gone. Bray.
Number one, my dog not dangerous. He doesn't bite.
Okay, he doesn't bite, not bite, bite, come.
Bite. Okay,
Okay.
sorry, teacher.
Present, no worry. Present simple, doesn't bite. Number two, Jerome.
Yes, sir. Why are you wearing glasses? It's
Okay,
rain.
why are you? The first one, number two. Where?
The first
Wearing.
one, wearing. Yeah.
Okay, the first one wearing. And the second one?
It's raining.
Okay. It is raining. Good. Wearing and raining.
Raining.
Number
Yes.
three, camera.
Yes, teacher. Number three, you can turn off the radio. I cannot listen it.
You can turn off the radio.
I cannot.
I what?
I am not listening to it.
Correct. I am not listening to it. Correct. And Tun? Number four.
I need to go to the bank. I haven't any money. I am not have any money.
Okay, for this one, we don't say I not have what. We say I don't have, do not have. Okay. So the correct answer, need to go to the bank. I don't have any money. Okay. The next one, continue to Lisa.
Number five, be careful. The baby is putting the pen in her mouth.
Okay, be careful. The baby is putting. Okay, correct. Is putting, right. And read. Number six.
You usually cooking at the weekend?
What is it?
You usually cook at the weekend?
You usually cook? We say are you?
Because it has usually.
Usually is normally we use with the form of
present simple.
Present simple. Do usually cook. Okay, present simple form. And then the answer B said that no, we normally
eating out.
Okay, we normally eat out. Good. On team. Number 7.
Yes, teacher. Number 7. What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? I
waiting for Amsa. She let us. What do you want?
Usual.
Usual.
So, I waiting or I am waiting?
I'm waiting, teacher.
Okay, I'm waiting. You can say I'm waiting or I'm waiting. Number 9, Bray again.
Number 9. Number 8, teacher.
Sorry, number 8, sorry.
I usually think 3, but I don't want a coffee today. don't want.
Don't want. I usually drink tea, but I
But I want. Sorry, I
want.
want.
Okay, yes, I want. No negative. All right, number 9, camera.
Yeah, teacher, number 9, my sister working from 9 to 5. She is a secretary.
Why we use working? It's every day, right? From 9 to 5, 9 to 5 every day. We use the present simple.
We use present
Simple.
simple.
So how do you spell work?
Work. W-O-R-K.
Third person singular. My sister only one, so we put it as
S.
works.
S.
Okay, works. Number 10, Tun, the last one.
The last one, teacher, can you scroll up a bit?
Oh.
Okay, thank you. We don't live in Paris, but we stay with us in a nice moment.
We don't.
We
Where
don't.
where do you get the word negative from?
Oh, sorry. We live in Paris,
We live in
but we
Paris.
stay, yeah, but we stay in a nice at the moment.
At the moment, it's show you the continuous form, right?
Okay, but
The temporary.
we are staying in a nice at the moment.
Right. We use temporary. We use with the present continuous form. So are stay,
Yes.
staying. Okay. So live and staying. All right, guys. So now we have done about the present continuous and the comparison with the present simple. So if you have time, I suggest you checking more about the exercise, or you can spend time watching the YouTube to understand more. Have you known my channel that you can watch by yourself regarding the grammar explanation? Anyone know that?
Not yet subscribed, Chair.
Not yet. No worry about subscribe, but just make sure that you know the channel where you can read or you can learn more about something that you prefer. So now let me share you about my channel so you can watch it. So let me play. So now we learn about the present continuous form. So let me take you to the present continuous form in my channel. So this is my channel, you can see, and there are a lot of video, just fun one or whatever like that, but there are also some educational video as well. So you can go to here, the present continuous form. Now have a look and enjoy watching it.